Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Meet with me again, Budi, your tour guide, while exploring destination in Bali. I'm very happy to meet you again, and today we will visit destination in Buleleng. The name is Lovina Beach. But before we going to Lovina Beach, we will visit Gitgit Twin Waterfall and Banjar Hot Spring. And now we are going to Gitgit Twin Waterfall. Let me tell you about the history or legend of the Gitgit Twin Waterfall. If you have any question, so please raise your hand and I will try to answer it. There is an interesting story about the history of this waterfall near Singaraja, guaranteed to be as interesting as the history of Pandawa Beach and history of the Tanah Lot Temple. Initially, in the colonial era, one of the Dutch had watched in a Gitgit guest house area. The brief story starts from the Gitgit waterfall tourism and watch one more popularity known as Ceburan Tuan, which is a watching place for Dutch gentlemen. Over time, in 1939, this place was finally developed into a tourist spot by a Dutch employee named is Dr. Chuki Kas. Dr. Chuki Kas at the time was one of the head of Liefering van der Tuk, who is known as Gedong Kertia. Around the Gitgit Twin Waterfall, there are also several traditional Balinese restaurants. As I know, they are the Bukwartini style or Nangkade styles, located in Sukasade district and Buleleng Regency, which can be accessed before we see the Gitgit Twin Waterfall. It takes about 50 minutes from the Gitgit Twin Waterfall. You can buy Balinese specialists such like a pork satay, rice with rawon, and Balinese mixed rice, and some other Balinese specialists. Here you can enjoy the food by enjoying the cold air. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at Gitgit Twin Waterfall. Don't forget to wear your jacket or your sweater because in this place it's so cold, and please take care of your step and your head. Ladies and gentlemen, I will give you 2 hours to enjoy the beauty of the Gitgit Twin Waterfall. And please be careful if you want to walk because it is very slippery in here. I'm so sorry, ladies and gentlemen, because time is up. Now we have to visit Banjar Hot Spring. Don't leave anything and you have to check your phone, camera and another to make sure there is nothing left in here. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to Banjar Hot Spring. Let me to tell you about the story of Banjar Hot Spring. This hot spring has been around for a long time. Even during the Japanese occupation of Bali, it was used this a bed. The pool in the Banjar Hot Spring consists of 3 parts. The first pool, this is in the top one and has a 6 dragon moth shower. In this first pool, has a width of 1.5 meter, which a length of about 12 meter, and the depth of 1 meter. The second pool is a large pool with a width of 10 meter and a length of 12 meter, which a terrace pool depth. In the second pool, there are 5 dragon showers. The second pool is a pool most used by visitor. The third pool has 3 dragon shower with a height of 3.5 meters. The third pool is widely used by visitors to enjoy the dragon shower water. Talking about Banjar Hot Spring, there are also special food from this area. For example, Mina Segar food stall, which is located on Sri Singaraja Street, Temukus Village, Labuhan Haji District, and Buleleng Regency. Here provide a menu of processed fresh fish, such like as grilled fish and fish head soup, fried fish, seafood soup, squid sauce, and several other foods such as spinach, and drinks such as young coconut. The place is not too far from Banjar hot water. Thank you for being one time, ladies and gentlemen. And now we will go to Lovina. This is our last tour and end of the day. I will tell you maybe a little bit about the story of Lovina Beach. Lovina Beach is located about 9 km west of the city of Singaraja. Lovina is one of the attractions in North Bali. Many foreign and local tourists visit here. In addition to seeing the unspoiled beach, also to see the dolphin and are widely available in this beach. By renting a local fishing boat, we can approach the dolphin. Various lodging ranging from inns to cottage are available in the very affordable price. In 1950, Anak Agung Panji Trisna has traveled to several countries in Eropa and Asia. What attracts him is especially was the life of the people in India. He stayed a few weeks in Bombay. Meanwhile, Panji Trisna also saw a place that was beautifully arranged for people to vacation on this beach. The land has seemed to this land on the Tukatchebol Beach, Buleleng, North Bali, which is also located between two rivers. And Panji Trisna was inspired to create such a retreat. Anak Agung Panji Trisna released his inspiration and start build his land, a hut called Lovina. The place was meant for tourists for vacation, available with 3 bedrooms and a small restaurant nearby the seafront. Some business observers worry that Panji Trisna plan will not success and as expected. It's too early to make such a venture on a secluded beach like the Tukatchebol, and local culture observe say Lovina is a foreign word, not Balinese furthermore, because there is no fee in Balinese script. In the Lovina area, there are lots of traditional Balinese foods such as Warung Nyoman. Warung Nyoman is a place to eat the serves menus just like betutu chicken, fried duck betutu, Lovina fried chicken, and others, with available drinks such as Balinese coffee, warm tea, iced tea, orange coconut, and coconut ice, and other. Warung Nyoman is located on Kartika Street, Anturan Village, Buleleng District, and Buleleng Regency. This is the right choice if you are on vacation in Lovina. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at Lovina Beach, and don't forget to bring your camera and your phone to take selfie and take picture with the beautiful view and maybe with a dolphin. And I will give you 2 hours to enjoy the beauty of the Lovina Beach, and we will meet at this point 2 hours later. I'm so sorry, ladies and gentlemen, because time is up and now we have to go to your hotel. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was our tour for today. If you want to visit Bali again, I have a suggest for your next tour, namely is Besakeh Temple, which is the large temple in Bali and also called the Mother Temple, located in Besakeh Village, Rendang District, Karangasem Regency. Here you can see the beauty of Mount Agung and this holy place. If you go there, don't forget to keep your word and
I'm sorry,
don't
Budi.
forget to use
Why
the
is
sarong.
the icon is not working?
Wait a minute, sir. I will turn it on. I'm so sorry, sir. We have trouble with the aircon bus, but don't worry. I found a way to fix it. And we will stop at Krishna Bali Culinaire for you. There you can enjoy for your dinner. You can also look for Balinese souvenir, such like a barong t-shirt, Balinese cloth. You can also find food and typical cake snack from Bali. Let the crew repair the damage from the icon, and we will shop for the 2 hour. After that, we will continue our journey to back to your hotel. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at Krishna Bali Culinary, which is located on Seririt Street, Banjar District, Buleleng Regency. We will enjoy at the facility here on the next 2 hours. So please bring your phone and camera to take some picture in here. I'm so sorry, ladies and gentlemen, because our time is up and the icon in the bus can turn on. We have to get back to the bus and we will continue the journey back to your hotel again. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at your hotel. Thank you so much for choosing Panorama Travel and Tour. If I have any mistake, I do apologize. And so please check your belonging to make sure there is nothing left. And I hope we can meet again in the another tour. Have a nice rest. Bye bye.